Greetings, folks. Welcome to the channel and welcome back. I know I've been gone a while. And the reason why is I've been building stuff. Okay? And you're about to see me use one of my new tools that I've been using to build stuff, which is called Atoms. It was formerly Meta GPT, but they changed the name to Atoms and did some upgrades. And the cool thing about Atoms is you have a team that can actually help you with your builds. You've got Mike, the team leader. You have Adrian, she's an ad specialist. You've got Sarah, the SEO specialist. You've got Emma, a product manager. Bob, as the architect. Alex, the engineer. David, the data analyst. And last but not least, Iris, the deep researcher. For the project I'm building, I'm actually going to do two, but I'll separate the videos. I'm going to just use Alex, the engineer. This cuts down on the credit usage if you're not using the entire team. When you know what you want to do, you can always just use the engineer to do the build for you. And so what I'm building today will be a morning routine, a mindfulness morning routine. It's going to have two parts. There's going to be a PDF as well as a web app. And I'm going to first start with the PDF. And I'm going to bring in Copilot here, well, which I've consulted with to get everything ready. And it has created the prompt that I'm going to slip right here into the prompt box. Now, I've copied the entire prompt. I'm going to paste it here. Allow. Okay. I didn't know it would do that, but let's see what happens. And now the magic begins. This is the prompt. And Alex, I'm only using Alex because I already know what I want to do. I don't need the rest of them. And over here is, you have your prompt box and it wants me to approve, so I will. And this is the editor. There's also your app viewer. And of course, there's got to be marketing. But hey, it's their product. They promote it the way they want to. And speaking of promotions, I will have a discount code down in the comments below that will give you 10% off Atoms when you sign up. Okay? And so Alex is doing his thing, and it's already read the file, and now it's beginning to write the PDF. As you know, I've been doing the mindfulness thing, but I had to take a break. I went out and got myself a real job, so I don't have the time to do the videos like I used to. But I'm getting back into the swing of things. And the cool thing about if there are any problems, Alex will work on them as well. So, another thing I like about Atoms is they have stuff for you. Okay. The one thing is they have marketing built in, and we'll get to that later. And when I'm done with the PDF, I'm going to list it on Gumroad. This is my profile page. Shameless promotion. But these are some things that I've been building. As I said, I've been busy building and working. Let me show you what I did with Atoms. It's not here. That's on Stripe because of the paywall, but I'm gonna put them back on Gumroad as well. I'll remove that paywall and stick them all here on Gumroad. But Alex is doing its thing, and while we're waiting on Alex to do its thing, we might as well shamelessly plug my own stuff. Now, as you know, I've been doing the mindfulness thing. That's my gig. And I've built several projects using other tools. We will not discuss them here. This is an Atoms build. But I have the Burnout Early Warning System. This is a bundle, which saves you money. This is a web app that predicts when you're getting close to burnout or if you are already burned out. Okay, and there's also a PDF for it. I also have the Mindful I Am journal, which allows you to make the I Am affirmations and become what you want to become by changing the universe somewhat. Other people can tell you how to do that. I just made a journal and an app that allows you to do so. This is another bundle. You get the app and the journal. I have the Mindful Internetpreneur method for marketing by social media. This is a bundle. This saves you a ton of money as well, rather than buying them individually. And then we have the Entrepreneur Affirmations bundle. With this, there's a PDF as well as the web app itself that tells you you can have it create affirmations for you. You can copy them, save them, print them, and this allows you to become more of who you are and gives you positive motivation. Let's take a look and see the progress. Ah, ta-da! Look at that, it's beautiful. Okay, it's coming together. It's just a simple PDF. And let's see, we got front cover. Let's take a look at the back cover. Inside. Let's see, okay. My plugs. Oh, I love it. And there's the discount code for Atoms. Okay, the link is there as well in this PDF. All right. Now, what I would like it to do is have this link to my website, The Mindful Internetpreneur, and this can link to my Gumroad profile page as well. Shameless promotion, but this is what you got to do. So what we'll do is we'll bring in Copilot. Oops. And I'll let Copilot take a look. Here's one cool thing about Copilot. Let me show you this. Now, I'm gonna have it take a look.
Hello, P. Just wanted to say a quick hello and let you know I'm...
I did it wrong. I was supposed to click the glasses. My bad. They were down there, but I panicked because I'm live. Let's share the screen. Hopefully the audio comes in and you can hear it.
Absolutely.
What do you think
I can see
of what Atoms did?
Got it. I can see everything on your screen pretty clearly. It looks like you're in Atoms right now, and I'm seeing that Mindful Internetpreneur front cover all set up.
It's speaking, but I can't hear it because it's not part of my OBS studio. I'll find out if it's in the video when I review. But all right, enough of that. Now, I'm gonna take a screenshot. Oh, crap. Let's refresh the page. That's not what I wanted. Or I can just tell it what I want. Okay, where's Copilot? Here. Okay. It looks great. Let's have, well, we're dealing with Alex. Alex, add links to my website. Mindful Internetpreneur, spelled it wrong. Mindful Entrepreneur.com, and my Gumroad link. Gumroad road link to the footer. Both open in a new tab. Well, duh, it's gonna have to. Okay. It should have my Gumroad link. Create the prompt. Now, I'm using Copilot, Microsoft's AI. It's basically ChatGPT that you do not have to pay for. I use it in smart mode. I once let it do think deeper, and it thought too deeply and screwed up a bunch of stuff. Okay, it changed the size of the website page and had me do it in HTML and all this other crap, and that I did not ask it to do. But in smart mode, and I'm on the free plan, I have not run into any limit issues like you will with other tools like Perplexity, and as same with uploads. Now, one day I was giving it a lot of screenshots, but I must have given it maybe 50 or 75 of them, and I ran into a limit then. But other than that, Copilot can do everything that the other ones can do. Copilot can actually build a website. It'll give you the code, and you just have to have some place to have the code deciphered, and it can build a website for you. That'll be another video. But let's get it to update the footer. Let's paste it. What was this output crap that it stuck in there? Okay. Design populator. So Alex is adding those things to it, and it's going to take a minute or two. I want it here on the footer, so that way, if they're using the PDF on their computer, they can click and go to my website. This will take them to Gumroad as well. And Alex is working on it. And here's the update. Let's take a look. Yes, beautiful. All right, it will open in a new tab. There's my website, Mindful Internetpreneur. Okay. And of course, it knows I'm recording, so it wants to load slowly. There we go. Okay. And I've got all sorts of information about mindfulness there on my website. And this is going to take us to Gumroad. This should be my profile page. And there it is. Ta-da! Now, I'm going to add the PDF to Gumroad but that's going to be a different video to show you how to use Gumroad. Okay, so now my next step is going to be to export as PDF. Let me make sure. These are suggestions. Oh, God, I've never done a PDF on here. That's why I'm trying to figure out what to do. Bear with me, folks. One thing that's cool is you can change the domain name. And it's going to be long, but I want to put it in here. Morning mindfulness routine. Now you can also add your own domain, but as you see, you have to publish first. The Atoms badge is not showing. I'm not going to do that because it doesn't include my affiliate link. Let's do that. Exceeds 30 characters. No problem. Let's just get rid of this. There still might be too many. Still. There we go. Now, this is my link. I want to do it as a PDF. I want to download it. It's public. Here we go. I've never done this. Damn it, it's doing it as a zip file. Okay. Now you gotta do all this crap. All right. You know what I'll do? I want to publish it as a PDF. We'll let Alex think. Read the markdown and understand how to export this as a PDF. Again, folks, no script on this one when I do my builds. Sometimes I may script my intro, but this time I didn't. And markdown file is input. I'll first create, okay, and then convert it to PDF. Okay, that should have been in the instructions from the beginning. No biggie, but you get to see how to do it as we go along. I'm learning as you're learning. You're supposed to learn something new every day. The PDF is ready to download. So what do I do? That's what I want to know. Version 3. I'm kind of stuck. Let's do this. Oh, this is not what I wanted. It made it like its own site. Let's see if we still have the same stuff. Okay. It made it a website. I'm looking for the download PDF. Here it is. Oh, come on, man. Oh, this is the markdown, isn't it? Let's see what it looks like. And we will find out. No. This is not, I wanted it to have all that style. This is too plain and ugly. And these aren't links. Okay. New program. We will make it a site, but I want to add a download PDF button as it's asking. That's the viewer. Let's go back to the viewer. It didn't quite do what I wanted it to do. I'm going to consult with Copilot. But let's see what it's... Let's do that while it's doing its thing. It into a website. The PDF download does not have the styling. Can I get the PDF to look like the site? What I should have done was uploaded the PDF to it. Print the PDF. Let me add you. Control P. Save it. Okay. Let's see. Control P. Microsoft print the PDF. No, it sucks. Let's let Copilot know. Alright, I'm gonna get this off of this screen. And we will take a snapshot to show it that it sucks. Oops, I don't have to do that. Now I'll bring Copilot back in. And we'll paste the image. The PDF does not look good. Full screen it. Control on the left, happy on the right. Mindfulness site preview beautifully, but the PDF export stripped out. Print, yes. Print the PDF with full styling. I don't think I can do that. Okay, so they're saying use the publish page. Let's cancel this. All right. I'm going to publish it. It's done. Now, so you got analytics and everything. But let's take a look. Now it's saying, this is what all right, let's see what happens. Get off. All right. What do they want? Get off. No, 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 no. All right. What I'll do is it's going to go as its own page. Or this might be a practice run. It doesn't make sense to have this and the site. What's that? Okay. Are we doing this? It really didn't do what I wanted it to do because it doesn't have where are the 5 steps. Okay, let's let Copilot in on this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add the file. The steps are not there. It did not do what the prompt directed. Let's fix it. Now, Copilot's going to read the file. Generated the shell, skip the interior section, logic. Okay. There we go. Now, let's try it again. Go here, here, and here. Forgive the confusion, folks. We're going to paste. I'm not pasting as a text file. Let's go full screen. And Alex is thinking. It's going to add it. Okay, this shouldn't take too long. Now, what I want to do is have it style the PDF along the same lines. At least put that picture on the front of it so it looks pretty. Otherwise, when I list this in the Gumroad store, I may not. I just might let it float around. Let's see. Did it do what we wanted it to do? It'll automatically switch to the viewer. I thought it would. Let's go here. Here we go. All right, now this will be the update. There's the routine. And that's that. It wasn't what I envisioned, but it looks better. Okay, let's update it. Your link is live. Let's reload, get the update. Okay. Let's see what the PDF looks like. Isn't that capitalized? And let's see. I'm not feeling this. All right, I'd rather just have it as a site, just a quickie. This is going to be, I might give this away. It'll be a lead magnet. That makes better sense. Okay. Let's have Copilot take a look at it. Share my screen. That's the one I want. I can't hear what
Absolutely,
it's saying,
P. I can. Absolutely, P. I can see how you've got everything laid out on your desktop now. You've got
take a look.
Absolutely, P. I can see now how your whole desktop is arranged. You've got Atoms open on the left in Chrome, and the print preview is right on the side, and that 5-step routine is looking really nice on the web view. So let's get that PDF fixed up. Basically, you want to take that exact...
I think instead of trying to sell this, I will make this a lead magnet. It'll be given away.
I see exactly what you're thinking, P.
Sticking
Looking
in
at...
Gumroad. But one thing I need.
Absolutely, P. I can...
Okay, I can make a landing page for this. And collect emails. All right.
Absolutely. That
That's
sounds
what
like
I'll do. Let's get that off. Now, I didn't hear what Copilot said, but you can see it was good. I can see everything that it said. Let's take a look. Yeah, there we go. I don't know. Again, I won't know until I review the video if the Copilot's audio was in there. Everything on this tab, you got Atoms open your browser left side. That was the first one. See that hold this range. It's fixed up, but basically you want to take that browser share the easiest way. Yeah. Trying to sell this thing, man, lead magnet. Yes, I see what you're thinking. This man can see how everything's laid out. It totally makes sense as a lead magnet move. Okay, it keeps her. It does that. I can see you got the Mindfulness page up there. Free download. Yes. Okay. So let's go back. And I like my main on this side. It won't let me do what I want to do how I want to do it. So we'll do it that way. All right. And Copilot is thinking because I cut it off. So that's what we'll do. So folks, that was a simple build. It didn't come out quite the way I wanted it to. Let's get rid of you. But I do have the Mindful Internetpreneur morning mindfulness routine. Now, I'm going to make a web app that's going to be in the next video. And it's going to be more detailed and should work better. As a matter of fact, yeah, once the app is done, we're going to stick the links on this to get. No, this will be the lead magnet. Yeah, I'll figure it out. But folks, I do want to thank you for watching. And again, if you're interested in Atoms, there is a 10% discount. It will be available in the comments below. It's Mindful Internetpreneur 10. That gives you a 10% discount on Atoms, no matter which package you purchase. So again, I thank you very much for your time and thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and be mindful.